You shouldn't see the backbone, you shouldn't see the hip bones.
Severely malnourished, this 2-year-old female pit bull is now recovering thanks to the Endless Mountains Animal League in Wyoming County.
She's lucky to be alive for the most part. She's lucky she was found and brought here.
On the 4th of July, animal advocates say a person brought the dog to them, saying it was found running in a hayfield between Dalton and Lake Winola. Most urgently, it's clear the dog just gave birth to as many as 8 puppies. Based on information volunteers have learned and conflicting stories they've gotten, they now worry those puppies may have been sold before they were 8 weeks old.
They may have been sold and they might not have been old enough to be sold. Considering the condition that she's in, what are the conditions of the puppies?
Officials are now asking anyone who recognizes this pit bull, who may have been named Daisy, or who recently bought pit bull puppies in Wyoming or Lackawanna counties to call them.
It seems to me that it was a money deal. That's all it was about, was having puppies to have money.
What is clear is that this dog didn't get malnourished overnight. Daisy is now being nursed back to health a little at a time because it's not clear if she will have any internal organ damage.
Whoever did this to this dog needs to be prosecuted.